What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a makeup look with the Zodiac Collection from ColourPop. I know we're just jumping right to it, but I really honestly forgot how to film videos and stuff. I know I did a poll on Instagram today and a lot of people wanted to see a mukbang, but I couldn't film that today because of two reasons. First of all, I wanted to film tonight, like immediately tonight, and I'm actually on an intermittent fasting schedule, but I didn't want to break that because I've been doing it for 2 weeks. And then second, ever since I started my channel last year, I've been wanting to film a video with my best friend Jaime, and she wanted to film a mukbang video, but we never got a chance to. And so I just thought, what better way to bring her onto my channel than doing the mukbang with her. She wasn't available tonight either. We're gonna film that next weekend and then I'll upload it whenever. Let me know if you guys have any ideas of what we should eat down in the comments below. But today we're gonna get ready with the Zodiac Collection from ColourPop. Let's just get started. Okay, so we're very up close and personal. My skin has not been doing so well lately. That's one of the reasons why I haven't uploaded anything. But recently it's been getting better, but last night I used a mask. I don't think it mixed well with my skin, so I've had little bumps, but they kind of came back. So it's a little annoying, but let's just ignore them. Everyone has imperfections. I have my base on. I'm gonna start with the eyes. Look how pretty this palette is, guys. It's the Zodiac Collection. Like, do you see that? It's so pretty. There's no matte white shade in here, so I'm gonna use my powder. Hopefully I'm not too awkward or too hyper, because I was really excited to film today. I don't know what it was. I don't really know what look I'm gonna do. I don't want to do something too basic. I'm gonna use the Aquarius shade, which is the blue right here, and I'm gonna put it in my outer crease. And let's just talk about life. I guess to start, where have I been? I've just been in a weird phase the past couple months. I think I kind of came back from it because Jaime's back from Shanghai. I think that had a little something to do with it. If you guys didn't know, Jaime is my best friend. She was in Shanghai studying abroad for 6 months. I do think that had kind of something to do with why I was a little weird. And then also we started like hanging out with more friends in the winter or whatever, and I've been just like reconnecting with a couple of my friends. We started drinking a lot and going out and catching up, and then since it was like Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year's, I just became routine and I kind of got addicted to it. I'm not gonna lie, not addicted to the drinking, but more so like addicted to the energy and being around people. I'm gonna take this shade right here, Taurus, which is light brown. So I just got addicted to being around people that I haven't been around. Like, you just can't balance work, fun, and uploading. And then I know like messed up my flow in a sense where I wanted to connect with everyone who had been asking for videos. Shout out to like Allison, Jasmine, and like a couple of other people. Been asking if I was gonna upload ever again. I kept saying soon, and I had tried to record a couple times. But when I went to go edit those footages, guys, it was no bueno. I hated the way I looked on camera because, like I told you guys, my skin, and second of all, I gained a lot of weight. Even now, I'm not really too happy with my weight, but I lost a good amount, so I'm alright with it. I'm not like too upset about it. But definitely a big part of me not uploading in the past few months was just because I was very discouraged and I didn't like the way I looked, especially because the camera made it seem 10 times worse than what I looked like in real life. I actually have met so many people in the past few months that have never seen me upload a video, so it should be very interesting to see everyone's reactions. I guess they're probably just like, she thinks she's good at makeup or something. Okay. I'm gonna go back into the Aquarius shade right here because I lost that. But another reason why I've been kind of MIA, once I started going out again, I was hearing from a lot of people, oh my god, Jaime Park, the YouTuber, is here. I mean, of course it's jokingly, but then part of it made me feel uncomfortable because it kind of made it feel like, oh, it's this girl who is trying to become famous on YouTube here. It's just not a good feeling, to be honest, just because I don't like attention. I don't. Versus like a genuine someone who would come up to me, oh my god, I watch your videos, keep doing what you do, girl. Next, I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is the Libra. And I'm actually gonna use my fingers and pat that all over the lid. Just like a light ink. satiny shade. So I'm taking the Sagittarius, which is this purple here, and I'm just adding that into my crease. Can you see this? It's like patchy, so the blue skipped the spot and then the purple is like sitting in there. It's kind of annoying. Whatever. From here, I'm gonna take Scorpio, which is this metallic shade, which is like the Sagittarius, but in metallic form, a little bit lighter. And I'm gonna put that right here in the middle to the end. And I'm just taking that brush and blending it out. If you guys have any content slash like video ideas or whatever you guys want to see, I'm down. Like mukbangs I was not down to film before you guys asked for it. But since you guys are asking, I mean, sure, why not, you know?
I guess.
I guess it's just because like I've never watched it before, but I know it's been like a huge thing because even my girl Carly Bible has uploaded one in the past week, I think. I just found it so cool that all these people are doing mukbangs and I don't even know what it is. Even with like the whole BTS K-pop phase, like I don't even know who BTS is. I do know they're like a K-pop boy band and it's so dope to see them do well. It's really, really cool to see Asians in media. It's just really, really cool. So shout out to them. Shout out to all my Asian brothers and sisters. Oh, we have some metallic eyeshadows. Supernova Shadow. It is called Constellation. And it's this color right here. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Do like a half cut crease situation here. Take this small Real Techniques brush. The thing about these liquid shadows, they're really, really good, but once they set, I mean, this is a good thing, but once they set, they don't budge. So you have to really make sure you place them on correctly. I should have probably put it on my hand and then put it on my lid. Obviously, I need to blend a little bit, but I'm gonna go in with the Scorpio shade. I'm gonna put that on the edges to blend so that we don't have like a harsh line going on. And since we literally lost all of that blue, I'm gonna go back into the blue Aquarius shade. Just add a smidge to the outer corner. It kind of makes like a grayish purple, and I kind of like that right now. Cancer shade, the metallic champagne. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that under my brow bone. So my video actually just got out while I was finishing up my top eyelid. All I've done since then is apply my winged eyeliner, some tight line, and mascara. First, I'm gonna go in with the Taurus shade. Add that to my lower lash line. Create a little transition, if you will. So I'm copying Kathleen Lights, kind of similar in a way. I'm gonna take a blue eyeliner, taking the Sephora pencil liner. This is in the shade My Boyfriend's Jeans. Add that to my waterline. And now I'm gonna take the shade Aquarius again to connect eyeliner onto the lower lash line. I'm gonna also take the Scorpio. I'm gonna take the metallic purpley shade. I'm gonna add that to the outer half under the blue. I want it to be like one look. Kind of also winging it up under the black wing I created. So that's the finished eye look. Oh, no, I'm gonna put mascara on my lower lashes. I have both super sharp highlighters from her collection, so we're gonna figure out which one I should use. This one is on the cusp, and that's what it looks like. Kind of matches my lid shade. And then we have Fire, which is a more orangey color. Oh my god, these are so smooth. But that is the shade Fire. I'm gonna take On the Cusp and use my fingers. Boom, she comes to life. You guys see that? This formula is so bomb. So I just doused my cheeks in On the Cusp and it's freaking stunning. I like to actually highlight my nose now, right in the center, because I like to bring out the bridge of my nose slightly halfway down. And then do a little bit on the tip and blend it out. Lips, you can kind of cover the lips. And a little bit on these little booger lines. I don't know what they're called. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of this ColourPop blush and starting from the apples and bring doing it backwards because I feel like it brings my cheeks forward. I'm gonna brush a little bit on the nose, some on the sides of my forehead. All right, from here we're gonna swatch both of the lips. Packaging is the same as all of their other Lux lip formulas. I only have one other one, so I don't know why I act like I know, but I'm pretty sure they're all the same and they all have the same color tubing. I wish they put the color of the lipstick on this part right here, but look how cute. One is like a brownie peachy nude, and then one is a kind of like my favorite lip shade, which is like a purpley color. Reminds me of Androgyny from Jeffree Star, which is my favorite. Let's just try both for now. I'm gonna try the nude, which is What's Your Sign? It's just a nude. I love it, and this formula is so comfortable. It's like creamy, doesn't feel drying at all. My lips are super dry right now, so it kind of feels like I just have a chapstick on. This is Scorpio Moon. It's really, really pretty with the look all together. And it doesn't make your teeth look yellow. So that's my favorite part. I'm gonna just blot a little bit of it off. I'm gonna go in with What's Your Sign? A little bit of that in the middle. So I'm just gonna take this Jouer. This is in the shade Tender. It's my favorite kind of gloss. Kind of clear, but it has a little tint to it. I love this because it just makes your lips so juicy. I love it. Into the middle. I mean, this is the final look. I'm loving it. It's been so long since I played with makeup. I really don't put on winged eyeliner anymore, so it's a big deal right now. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for joining me. For those of you guys who continue to support me and push me to put out content, I appreciate you so much. I just genuinely love putting out content and having people interact with me. So yeah, thumbs up this video if you're glad that I'm back. You can thumbs down this video if you want. I don't know, it doesn't matter. Do whatever makes you happy, you know? Subscribe if you want to continue and live out this little journey, process, whatever with me. If you're my friend in real life and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Go and do that right now. Support your girl. Don't forget to comment down below what food you think me and Jaime should eat in my first ever mukbang next week. See you guys later. Catch you guys in my next one. I don't even know what I used to say in the end. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!